Ever wondered how beneficial it could be to capture the rain that Mother Nature provides us? Harvesting rainwater is a smart move. It reduces water bills, prevents flooding and soil erosion, and provides an eco-friendly water source for gardens. So, how can we harness this free and natural resource? Let's dive into rain barrel installation. Installing a rain barrel is simpler than you think. Let's take a walk through the process, shall we? First off, you'll need to select a suitable location. Look for a spot near a downspout that's also convenient for watering your garden. Make sure the area is flat and sturdy to ensure stability of the barrel when it's full. Next, you'll need to prepare the site. Clear any debris and level the area. Consider placing your barrel on a stand for easier access to the spigot. Once your site is ready, it's time to install the diverter in the downspout. This device will direct rainwater into your barrel while allowing excess water to continue down the downspout. Cut a hole in your downspout at the height of your barrel, then fit and secure the diverter. Now let's connect the barrel. Attach your hose to the diverter and to the barrel, making sure the connections are secure. Finally, you'll want to check for leaks. Run some water through the system to ensure everything is watertight. If you spot any leaks, seal them with silicone caulk. And voila, you now have a fully functioning rain barrel ready to collect and store rainwater. Now that you know how easy it is to install a rain barrel, why not give it a try yourself? Imagine the satisfaction of contributing to a sustainable lifestyle right from your backyard. Revisiting the benefits, your garden will thrive on natural rainwater, and you'll reduce dependency on mains water. Sounds like a win-win, doesn't it? Remember, every drop saved is a step towards a greener planet. So go ahead, install your rain barrel and let's make a difference together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such informative content.